Hey friends, it's Arlie with Bike Shop Girl. I wanted to quickly say thank you for placing that mask and gaiter order. Your mask and gaiters are on the way if you haven't received them yet. They shipped out yesterday afternoon, but I wanted to send a quick video first to say thank you, and secondly to show you how the new mask design works. So when you pull your mask out, they are sized, so make sure you have the right size. And then you're going to find these two plastic bags. One's an X-frame, one's a filter. And the X-frame is what I want you to pull out. And if you ordered multiple sizes and types, the X-frames are sized, and you'll see on the bottom down here on the actual frame, it will say small, medium, or large, extra large. So then you pull that frame out and it will look like this. And on your mask, you'll see these little pockets. The inside, so here's your fabric, here's the pocket, and that's where your X-frame will go. So we have one pocket, push it all the way in, slide it over into the other pocket. And when it's put in properly, it will be pushed out all the way, and here's the X-frame. And then you have the nose clip right here, and then adjustable ears right here. The other bag are filters, one filter actually. If you need more, let me know. And that slips behind the fabric. So the X-frame popped inside these little pockets, and the filter goes behind inside of these two sections of fabric. All right, that's all I have. So thank you again. If you have any questions, concerns, if I messed up your order, please let me know. We had a lot of these go out this round, and a lot of moving parts. Before I just had to ship out a mask, and now I had to ship out 3 different parts. So thank you. Let me know how I can help, and I'll see you guys hopefully soon.